Acting U.S. Attorney for New Jersey, Alina Habba, has been disqualified from the position.
A federal appeals court has ruled that she was unlawfully appointed, exhausting the Justice Department's options to appeal. Alan Devlin is in studio here with all this means and also what's next for her position, Alan.
Yeah, good evening, ladies. This one is complicated. At least that's what the experts are telling us now. They say the basis of these claims is that there was little to no involvement from the legislative branch in Habba's appointment, which can be interpreted as going against the U.S. Constitution.
Good morning. Good morning.
Monday, a federal appeals court upheld a lower court decision that disqualified Alina Habba as the acting U.S. attorney in New Jersey, a position she has held since March, first as interim and later full-on in July. The Third Circuit in New Jersey ruled that Habba's appointment by the president over the summer was unlawful, and a judge ruled she can no longer participate in upcoming cases. The attorneys, a part of the Federal Defense Fund who brought the case against Habba, released a statement to CBS News New York that reads in part, "This marks the, quote, first time an appeals court has ruled that President Trump cannot usurp long-standing statutory and constitutional processes to insert whomever he wants into these positions."
This is very important because it deals with the proper functioning of the federal government.
St. John's Tobin College of Business professor Anthony Sabino says while Habba is out of the job for now, the next stop for the case is the Supreme Court.
In all honesty, it should be appealed to the United States Supreme Court because it's only the highest tribunal in the land that should have the last word on this.
Sabino adds the basis of the claims for invalidity with Habba is the fact that there was no Senate advisement on her appointment.
The Senate, who we also elect, is obligated to advise and consent. Have they done so? No, because again, present with some of these cases, this is how it's percolated up, is that there haven't been the hearings, and that's an issue.
Now, Sabino adds that while Habba is no longer flying the ship, the deputy attorney is now in charge, and the Justice Department is set up in a way leaving no lapse of law enforcement capabilities or problems for the district. In other words, the people of New Jersey can rest easy while this is being sorted out. Ladies?
Okay, Alan, thank you.